Would you like to create a diagram that clearly communicates who is responsible for certain tasks? Hi, it's Emily from Team Draw.io, and in this video, we're going to learn how to create pool and swim lane diagrams. We'll start with a blank canvas. We can add our pool and swim lane diagram to our canvas by typing pool in the top left search bar. We're given 4 pre-made diagrams to choose from. You can also find these under the Advanced tab. Let's get it onto our canvas by dragging and dropping it anywhere. To change the names of each lane, double-click on the title section and type in a title. It seems that this title is a bit too big for the cell it's in. By using the yellow diamond, I'll make each cell a bit bigger. Select the individual lanes and drag the blue dot outwards to make them wider, and use the blue dot at the bottom to make them longer. I'll quickly add some shapes to our diagram. To change the order of your lanes, click on the title cell to highlight the lane, then hold left click, press and hold Alt on the keyboard, drag and drop into the desired location. If we don't want to move an entire lane, we can drag to select the shapes we want moved and drop them into the proper lane. If your diagram has become a bit complex, make sure to turn on the Expand and Collapse in the upper toolbar under Extras. This allows you to keep your focus on one lane at a time when needed, since you can now click the Collapse button on the lanes that you want to temporarily hide, and click again to open the lanes back up. To add a completely new lane, we need to select the entire diagram by clicking the Pool title cell, then go over to the top right corner to Arrange, and click whether we want to add a lane to the right or to the left. We can also then quickly erase the unwanted lanes by selecting the ones you want to erase and clicking the red delete column icon. Adding color to your pool and swim lane diagram is simple. If you select a lane and color it, it will only color the title cell and the line around the lane. To color the swim lane itself, check the box for lane color and select a color there. When you're all done, click the Publish button in the top right-hand corner and look at all your hard work within your page in Confluence. Swim lane diagrams are also great for visualizing BPMN processes or UML designs. I hope this video helped you learn how to make them with draw.io, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our weekly videos. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.